Hi there, Coach L again with the Rutgers Learning Centers with another quick strategy to help you study smarter, focus better, and crush those goals. Let's dive in. The Core 4, your secret to smarter studying. Want to get better at learning? There's a simple system that can help. It's called the Core Learning System, and it's built around 4 key moves: collect, organize, rehearse, and evaluate. Let's break it down. First up, collect. Learning starts with focus. Your brain's always taking in information, but without intention, much of that information slips away. In college, collecting key information means showing up, taking notes, reading actively, and asking questions. Pro tip: skim your readings or review your notes before class. It'll help your brain latch onto what matters. Next, organize. Take what you collected and make it make sense. Create outlines, diagrams, or concept maps, whatever works for your brain. Pro tip: after class, spend 10 minutes organizing your notes. That's when real understanding begins. Next, rehearse. This is where learning sticks. Don't just reread, practice. Quiz yourself, teach a friend, or solve problems out loud. Pro tip: recalling information without your notes strengthens memory way more than passive review. Finally, evaluate. Check in with yourself. Ask yourself, can you explain it? Could you teach it to somebody else? What still needs work? Use quizzes, practice exams, assignments, even your own reflection as feedback. Pro tip: if you can't explain it clearly, you probably don't fully grasp it yet. That's your cue to go back and review. Here's the real secret. Core isn't a checklist. It's a flexible system. Bounce between steps, adapted to your brain and your goals. Because when you collect, organize, rehearse, and evaluate in a way that works for you, you can learn anything, anywhere, anytime. Until next time, remember to think big, start small, act fast. You got this.